Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset your ChatGPT limit. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so if you mean the usage limit in ChatGPT, like you're getting the thing saying you've reached your limit, what I mean by that, it will say here on top of your text box, you've reached our limits of messages, please try again later. There isn't a secret reset button that you can go ahead and press. Limits are controlled by the OpenAI servers and depending on your plan as well. So basically there are a few different ways people usually reset or work around these limits. So you want to go ahead and wait for the cooldown. So free plans usually reset after a few hours or daily depending on the models tools used, and sim limits are rolling windows, example every 3 or 5 hours. Now if you switch models, so if one model is capped, you can often switch to a lighter model. So to do this, we can go ahead and click on the ChatGPT thing here, and then you can go ahead and change our model. So if you do have a plus plan or a go, we can go ahead and click onto that and change your model. Sometimes free versions you can change your model as well, so it's worth coming up here and changing your model. We can also start a new chat, so go ahead and click on new chat on the top left here. This won't reset account limits, but it can fix temporary conversation contact limits or lag. Now another thing we can do is go ahead and clear the browser cache. So this can fix incorrect quota displays or loading problems. So click on the three dots here, click onto settings, then inside settings, click on privacy security. Now to the right, we've got delete browsing data. So this is going to delete history, cookies, cache, and more. Click onto that, click onto more, make sure this is set to all time. And now click on show more. Now we only want 2 of these things selected. So make sure cookies and other site data, cache images or files are selected and click on delete data.